Hey dolls! So I'm getting ready right now for an event that I'm going to tonight in New York City, and it is the Il Makiage makeup event of the year. So it is with Preen.me, and I'm going to be meeting up with paintmeprettycynthia there. So I cannot wait. I'm so excited. And actually she just texted me, and I've never met her in real life, but I've been talking with her online for the longest time. I met her through Makeup by Shay. So a lot of you guys know Makeup by Shay, and you guys love her, right? We all love Makeup by Shay. Guys, I'm so excited because I just got this new Urban Decay. This is the Born to Run eyeshadow palette. So I just got sent this in the mail in PR. So thank you so much, Urban Decay. I wanted this palette so bad when I saw, look at those colors. I saw a lot of beauty vloggers posting about it and beauty bloggers, and when I saw it I was like, are you kidding me? I wanted it so bad. Oh my god. So this is my first time opening it. Ooh god, guys, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, so I couldn't resist. I was like, I'm gonna need to play with this tonight. And for some reason I didn't know what kind of look I was gonna do. You know, I've been loving yellow eyeshadow lately. I'm obsessed with the yellow eyes and like a red lip. I don't know what's come over me, but all of a sudden I just thought I wanted to do green, like a smoky green eye. So, and then this color here, it looks stunning. So it's called Wanderlust. So I think I'm gonna use that color tonight. Guys, I still have no idea what I'm wearing. I'm such a hot mess. I'm so crazy, guys. Like, I really shouldn't even, I have to go. Like, I have to be, guys, I'm too real. That's the problem. I'm too real. Like, I have to be there in a little while, and I shouldn't be chit-chatting. I need to stop talking. But I couldn't help myself. I can never help myself. That's the thing. I cannot help myself. I have no self-control. That's the word. So anyway, I just had to talk to you guys. I'm really nervous though, guys. I do have anxiety, so I do get nervous a lot. But I love talking to you guys, and I just thought, you know, that would make me feel better. Always talking to you guys makes me feel so much better. But I'm gonna hurry up and get ready. But I'm still gonna talk to you because I have to. It's like the only thing, you know. You're my everything, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Cogendo primer. You know, I'm just gonna have, maybe I'm not gonna be able to get fully ready with you guys. Because I really have to, like, I really want to do my makeup really good, and I don't know if this is the best idea. Maybe I'll have to pop in and out, but because this isn't normally how I do my makeup, you know. Like, that is a hot mess. So guys, like I said, I have no idea what I'm wearing, and I have no idea what I'm wearing. I'll tell you the God's honest truth, because I'm so, you know, I'm honest. I just gotta be, whatever. But guys, I really want to wear, now this isn't a big deal to the rest of the world, but you know, this is YouTube. This is my life, my silly life. So, guys, I have this pink dress that I just bought. I actually purchased it on Poshmark. It's Lily Pulitzer. I love this dress so much. The pink color, it is so darn, it is just everything. It has like a built-in corset that it flares out. I want to wear that dress so bad. But I'll tell you the God's honest truth, guys. You know, I gotta be honest, guys. Like, growing up in New York City, I've always been like, people are always like, what are you doing? Because people have a very kind of like classic minimalistic style. And guys, I love tons of makeup. My whole life I've been fighting my true self, because people are constantly telling me like I remember, just for example, there was a makeup artist that I met, and he'll be like, I love to wear glitter on my lids. Like, this is 10 years ago. I've been hooked on glitter. Guys, I don't even know what I'm doing. Look at this. This popcorn is freaking amazing. I'm not mediocre. It has protein in it. Oh my god, it makes you so full. So anyway, I remember he was like, why are you wearing glitter on your lids? That's what I've been dealing with, guys. Like, I was like, because I want to. I feel like in New York, people just act like you're crazy for wanting to wear, you know, glam makeup. I couldn't find this. Look at this. I am totally out. my MAC full coverage. Girl, you know I like it. This but this stuff is amazing for if you're going to be taking pictures or something like that, because it covers your circles. So I was just thinking about what I was telling you guys about how everybody's minimalist, but I gotta tell you guys, now the theme of this party I'm going to tonight is minimalism is dead. So and they said get dressed up, so but you know what, who cares, right? I feel like who cares now? I feel like that's gonna be the fun part. Who cares if I'm the only one? Who cares if I'm in a bright pink dress, right? But that's kind of fun, to be honest. You know, now that I've gotten used to it and I accept myself, I feel like, girl, embrace your true self, and you know, I should just go for it. But I do have a really nice black dress, but you know what it is? I think I've already worn that dress. I have this really nice black dress. It's really beautiful. It's maxi dress. I feel so comfortable in maxi dresses. All I wear is maxi dresses. But I just used the KKW contour stick because I couldn't find my Amazing Cosmetics. But I really like it. I'm surprised, because you know how when you just use your normal favorite and you don't kind of branch out, but I really like this. Guys, I've been using this Lancome Ultra Wear foundation lately, and oh my god, the finish is absolutely stunning. So I'm not even joking. I love my CoverGirl foundation still. That also has a gorgeous finish. That finish is a little bit more maybe matte. But this foundation is just, I really love when a foundation gives you like a really, you know, a really unique kind of finish. Like where you look in the mirror and you're like, wow, that is beautiful. Because I like to see makeup to be, like, some people prefer makeup that you can't see, that actually looks like your skin. You know, I like that too sometimes maybe. But I really love when a foundation gives you a certain kind of finish. Like a gorgeous finish. It's very rare. Like, not all of them give a really gorgeous finish. I know a lot of people love MAC Face and Body because that is like pretty much a natural finish. You look like you have nothing on. But for me, I love a glam look, you guys know. So so this is kind of like, to me, a little bit more glam. It's a very nice combination between glam. It looks kind of rich, to be honest. I feel like it looks expensive. Expensive skin, that's the word. So guys, I just put on that Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is the waterproof. Look at that. This is it, and this is, I haven't done this eye yet. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. So excited, guys. I'm almost done. I can almost do my eyes. I'm so excited. I think I'm definitely going to do that smoky green because it's so different, right? I love to be different. But if I wear the pink dress, I don't know. Maybe I should wear black then. And guys, I bought the most gorgeous lipstick the other day, and I can't find it anywhere. I'm going crazy. I can't find anything in my house. It's crazy. I literally can't find anything. I'm gonna tell you guys really quickly before I go. I wanted to tell you guys, but somebody is freaking impersonating you dolls. I don't know if she wants me to say her name, but somebody wrote me, and it's one of you dolls. You know how we know each other. We all know who's, you know, who's a doll, who's in our group or whatever. We all know each other, you know what I mean? Now, the other day, I swear to God, guys, I got a message on Instagram, and they had taken one of you guys' names, one of your pictures. They made a fake Instagram, and they were like, hey, Alegra, it's me. I don't think she want me to say her name. I don't know who. It's one of you guys. You guys know who it is too, because she is a big, you know, she's a huge friend of ours. Like, she knows everybody. She knows all you guys. And they said, oh, it's me. We'll just say Jenna. And she goes, oh, I had to make a new Instagram because my other one, I lost my phone or something like that. And then she made a fake Instagram, so when you clicked, I believed it. I said, oh, Jenna lost her phone, and she had or whatever, she got locked out of her Instagram, and she had to make a new Instagram. That's what this message said. But guys, it was a scam because it wasn't Jenna. I did write to Jenna right away, and I was like, Jenna, is this you? She goes, oh my God, that is not me. So guys, it wasn't her. So somebody is pretending to be you guys, and they're writing me And they actually, like I said, made a fake Instagram pretending to be you guys. How crazy is that? And they were like, write me back. And the fact of the matter is they went out of their way to make a fake page to pretend to be one of you guys. And to trick me. And I guess to trick more. I hope more of you guys don't get the message. If you guys get a message from somebody pretending to be, you know, one of the babes, one of our friends, be really careful, guys, because somebody is going around trying to trick us into thinking whatever. I don't know what they wanted. I don't know what their ultimate plan was, because I didn't write back yet. Guys, let me know what you think I should do. What should I write back? Because I didn't even write back. I was like, this happened last night and I was like literally in shock. And I've been so busy trying to get ready for this event. And guys, I'm helping my husband with his business all the time. So that takes up so much work. I'm sorry, I'm actually using the camera to see my makeup. So I hope you guys don't mind. But let me go ahead now and prep my eyes. And message me though, guys, if you want to see. Well, let me ask her first. The babe that was impersonated, because I don't know if she wants everybody to know. I don't know how she feels about it. I know she was upset. She was so upset. So I gotta ask her though. Maybe she's gonna talk about it. I don't know, but I'll let you guys know more about it when, you know, after I talk to her. So let me go ahead and prep my eyes, and I guess I'll just do my eyebrows too, and then I'll be right back. So dolls, I went ahead and did my eyebrows and I primed my eyes. So dolls, in my Urban Decay PR was this eye pencil. It's called the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Overdrive. This is what inspired me. When I saw this pencil, I was like, it's just the most gorgeous emerald green, and I was like, I really want to do a smoked out green eye with and use this pencil. I really think that's what I'm going to do, but I feel like I should wear black then, because I don't know, I feel like, guys, sometimes I really could care less about makeup, clothes, because it's like I'm so invested in makeup. That's all I care about. What's my makeup gonna be? So I feel like all I care about is makeup. So let's just do it. Let's do it. Let's do the green smoky eye. So I have some gorgeous transition colors in here. So let me grab a super fluffy brush. So I guess I'll start with I'm gonna go in with Weekender and then Ref. So I'm gonna not use such warm shades. Ooh, Weekender is really coming through. I thought it was gonna be so, like, not show up, but look at that. Oh, that is, guys, I'm not even joking. Oh, I hope you can see that. I'm gonna have to, I hope I'm like, I should have saved this for a better video. Let me zoom you guys in. This is gorgeous. This color is so beautiful. Can you guys see that? Oh my god, I would just wear this color on it. This is another one of those colors that I would just wear on its own. It's stunning. Oh my god, it's so much more rich than it looks in the palette. Or, you know, a lot of palettes, they've been tricking us, dolls, because a lot of times they look one way in the palette and then they don't show up at all on your skin, but this shows up. This is stunning. Oh, this is gonna be, guys, I don't even know now if I'm gonna do the green, because this is so beautiful. I just smoked this color out with, of course, with some glitter. No fallout. There's no patchiness. I gotta zoom you in more, because I am in love. I mean, I'm gonna blend better, but that's it. I didn't even do any, honest to God, guys, I'm not dipping. I had told you guys in past videos I would dip in, I don't even know how many times to get any kind of payoff. I just dipped in, like, I don't even know what, 2 times for this, 3 times the most, on this super fluffy brush. Oh my god. So now I'm going to take a slightly slimmer brush and I'm going to take Ref. Now that I'm playing with it, guys, I could totally see doing a brown smoky eye, because these browns are so beautiful. They're not like normal browns. Like, ooh. Look at that. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. This really is a great palette to travel with, because like they were saying, you can use this to travel with, because it has brights, you can go when you want to, like, if you're, want to change it up, and you can use the blue colors and the bright colors. But a lot of times everybody likes to kind of wear this kind of look for the day. Guys, what should I do? I need your help. I'm going to take some of this color Punk and just put that on on the outer portion. Oh, that is so stunning. Look at that, guys. I'm like, I do feel spoiled at this point in time. Thanks to these new shadows. I don't even think like I can go back to what I was. I will never, there's certain brands, unless they come up with a new formulation like this, I won't never buy again after these new, trying these shadows. I think I'm gonna just go in with Smog and do like a bronze smoky eye. Ooh, wow. And look at that, guys, no fallout. And this is a very, to be honest, this is a flimsy brush. I really shouldn't even be using it. Oh my god. That is like one tap in. I'm just, you know, distributing it around. That is unbelievably stunning. I don't even think I need, usually I do go in with my glitter eyeliner, but I don't even over it, but that is so beautiful. I don't even feel like I need anything else. This is like done. This feels like it's done. I'm just gonna do my bottom. Look how easy that was. So I'm just gonna smoke out the bottom now. So I'm just gonna do my lashes and work a little bit on my face, but I am so happy with my eyes, guys. And I was really planning to work on my eyes for like an hour. But that was so easy. You saw that. That was insanity. I'm not joking, guys, because you know, I'm too real already as it is. Oh, they sent me this. So actually they also sent this liner. I'm going to show you guys the PR kit, the set they sent me. It's beautiful. And it came in like a train case. But this is another pencil they sent me. It's called Double Life. So let me put this on. I'm just going to put on my lashes, guys. I got to pick out a lip. So I'll be right back. Guys, oh my god, I just put on this Jeffree Star Pumpkin Pie lipstick. I love it. This is like my new obsession. I can't believe it. I'm obsessed with it. Like, oh my god. I still haven't put on my dress, guys. So crazy. I'm just gonna wear a black dress because the makeup is everything, you know. That's all I care about. I just want the makeup. That's all I care about. So black. I'm gonna wear black. I'm gonna go put it on, and I will be vlogging from the event, so that'll be another video. But I'll show you my outfit really quickly, but then I'm gonna run. But definitely be on the lookout because I'm gonna be vlogging from the event, and I'm gonna upload it, and I'm gonna be with paintmeprettycynthia and Makiage and Preen.me. So that's pretty much it. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. I love you. So guys, I'm just wearing this black dress. Let me try to show you. That's pretty much, you know, it's maxi. So I'm gonna have, I'll tell you, try to take better pictures. But I gotta go, guys. We're running out the room. It's 5:30. I'm supposed to be there. So I'll see you guys later. Love you.